2014 KX450F. I have it and already have problems. I want to know if it's just my bike. Yeah, it's just your bike, man. That 12 to 15 generation KX450F was a bulletproof tractor. 12 had the spring forks. People shy away from the 13 and 14 because they had the KYB PSF1 forks. If you keep an eye on them, keep the seals changed, check your air pressure, you'll have no problem with those forks, and they're easier to service and all that. That motor had the most aggressive cam in 12. They actually made the bike a little milder for 13 and 14, and then it had some life back in it in 15. But those bikes had plenty of power, but they steer like a tractor. You're going to have to turn with the rear wheel. It's not going to feel near as flickable as some of the other bikes, but it's going to be stable. It's going to be stable at speed. It's a super awesome platform, super awesome machine. So line out your couple issues and have a good bike for a long time.